So today we are going to see some basic details of attributes. So tags can have attributes. I have written the heading as tags attributes because attributes are written inside the tags. All of you know the tags, okay? You have seen the tags, head, title, body, okay? These are some of the examples of tags. Tags can have attributes. Attributes specify properties and behavior. Okay. So with the use of attributes, you can add some properties or behavior to any of the elements of the tag. Okay. I have given one example here. I have used the image attribute. IMG is also one of the attributes. Please keep in mind. IMG is used for image. IMGs were also one of the tags. Sorry, I have said I should. IMG is also one of the tags. In that SRC is equal to logo.gif and ALT is equal to logo. These are the attributes. Okay. So this image is taken from a source that is logo.gif and it has an alternate name that is logo. Okay. So you can see that there is a pop-up attribute ALT with value logo. Okay, so the value of attribute ALT is logo. Okay, you can see this, and the value of attribute src is logo.js. So these are some of the attributes. Okay, now these are giving some property and behavior to the image attribute. Few attributes can apply to every element. Okay, there are some attributes that can be applied to every element. That is ID. Okay, this is one of the attributes. Then style, class, title. Okay, so these are some of the attributes that can be applied to every element. The ID is unique in the document. Okay, keep this in mind. The ID is unique in the document. The content of title attribute is displayed as a hint when the element is hovered with the mouse. Okay, when you take the mouse to the title, then the title is displayed as a hint. Okay, means you can see when you move your mouse to some of the icons on your desktop, and it shows some kind of information about that icon. Okay, what is it? So in the same way the title works for a web page. Then some elements have obligatory attributes. Okay, keep this in mind. Some elements have obligatory attributes. Now we will move to the next slide, that is headings and paragraphs. Heading tags, as we have seen in the starting, heading tags are from H1 to H6. This is simple concept. H1 heading 1 H1. So this is displayed as the largest heading. Okay, H1 is the largest heading. If you want to write something very large in the web page, then you will use the H1 tag. Then H2 is subheading and H3 is subheading. Okay. Now next, the paragraph tag. The paragraph tags are used to write the paragraph. So here in this example, I have written the p tag. This is my first paragraph, p tag closed, and p tag. This is my second paragraph, p tag closed. Okay. Here you can see that this is my second paragraph and the p tag closed. So this is my first paragraph, p tag closed. So paragraph is used to write sentences or some information or the content of your body. Then next, these are the new ones, the division and span tag. The division and span tag. This is one of the examples for the division tag. DIV, style, background, sky blue. So a division tag actually makes a division on your web page, and this division can be seen somewhat different from the other paragraphs. We can do color, background color to the division, okay? Because we have selected the style background that is sky blue. This is one of the example, and the text written in this division is this is a division. This text will be displayed in the division. Okay? Have you understood this? So now we will see some other examples of headings and paragraphs. So I have written a small code of HTML and the program name is headings.html. I hope all of you are doing the programming or logic design of a web page with me. So please do it right now, because if you leave now it will never happen again. You will not do it. So do it right now, it will be beneficial for you. It does not take much time. So I hope all of you will do it with me. So open your notepad, a new file in that. You can save that file now only with the headings.html text file name. Okay. Then in that we are going to write the doc type HTML. So the doc type actually specifies which kind of programming language is used for this programming file. So whenever you run this code on the internet, the server actually reads the doc type and it runs the program with the necessary resources that are used for running the HTML. Okay, so we have written the doc type HTML. Below that, the HTML tag opening, then the head tag, in the head tag title, heading and paragraph. Okay, you can see headings and paragraph. Title close, head close. Then we have written the body tag. In the body tag, first we are using h1 heading 1, h1 close, h2 subheading 2, h2 close, h3 subheading 3, h3 close. Below that, in the body, we are writing the paragraph. This is my first paragraph slash p. This is my second paragraph slash p. And below that, I have written the division tag. Division, as I have already told you, it specifies or it shows a division in your web page. It is shown like a different content. Okay, style is equal to, so the division tag is having the attribute style, and style is background sky blue. So what will happen in the division tag? This text is used. This is a division. Okay, so this background color of this text will be sky blue. So see the format. The division tag, angular bracket division tag style is equal to background sky blue, then we are closing the angular bracket. So this is one tag. From starting of this angular bracket to the closing of the angular bracket, this is the division tag, and in that tag we have written the style attribute having the value background is sky blue. Okay, so this tag is closed, and in between we write what the text is the division and the division tag closed. Then body closed and HTML closed. Hope all of you have understood this. Then we will move to the next headings and paragraph. Example 2. Okay. So this is the same example. I think there is somewhat mistake in the slide. So this is the same example we have written previously. So now we are actually getting the output. So see in the output the HTML top type is HTML, then HTML opening, then you can see head, title. Now where is the title? Headings and paragraph. We have written in the headings. So you can see headings and paragraph. This is the title which is displayed in all your browsers. So write the code and run it and you will see this kind of title in your web pages when you run the code. Okay. Then in the body we have written heading 1 H1. So in the body section, this is the body now. This is heading 1 H1. It is of maximum size. Then H2 subheading 2. This is somewhat of lesser size. Then H3 subheading 3. H3 closed. Subheading 3. You can see it is somewhat lesser size than subheading 2. Okay. Now we can see we are used to paragraph my first paragraph, my second paragraph. This is my first paragraph and this is my second paragraph. So in this way these are displayed. Then the division tag with that style background sky blue. Okay. And the text is this is the division. So you can see the text this is the division and this text is displayed in background sky blue color. Okay, it is having a background of sky blue color. So you can divide or you can show specific content in your web page with different colors using a division tag so that it can be displayed somewhat attractively. Okay, to attract the users. Okay, or you can say some important text can be written in the division tag.